welcome back to our channel. We're just going straight.
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, continue straight.
We went that way. You said I was taking you a different way.
Slow way.
Oh.
Well, we're just behind a very slow bus. It's decided to go 17 miles per hour in a 30-mile zone. Obviously, he's running early. As you know, bus drivers are not allowed to run early.
Some of them are.
No, it's the timetable they stick to requires them to be on time. They can be late. They cannot be early. They actually get penalised for being early. That's why sometimes you'll see bus drivers driving too slow or waiting at a bus stop for longer than they need to.
I am so hungry now. What time is it now? Nearly 10.
Brunch.
So I am definitely gonna have a full breakfast. Let's see, we're trying a new restaurant or a new cafe by the beach. We're gonna take you there with us. We'll be back. And we're here. We're here. We're going for breakfast first. Right?
Right.
Hold on, baby, I don't dance, but how I love to be around you. I'm not scared to take a chance. Yeah, I'm so happy that
Which one are you having?
and you know when
Which
you
one
know
are
that
you
I'm
having?
yours, alright.
Have the 12.25 breakfast.
You can tell by the look in your eyes.
Scones, tea cake.
Give it straight from the heart.
All of it.
How I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere
Cup of tea at 12.
oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. You can show me how to move, 'cause I don't wanna be sitting alone. I don't care what road you choose. Don't wanna go back to who I was before. And I know that you might know right. I can tell by the look in your eyes. Don't wanna play it cool, I give it straight from the heart. Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, we got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you.
So it's day trip. What,
What is that
Daddy?
lighthouse at the end anyway? Do you know? Do you remember what it was called?
Can I remember?
Tyneside. Is it different? Is that where Whitley Bay is up towards
Yes,
that way?
yes.
Okay.
Tynemouth first and then Whitley Bay.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, actually,
Tynemouth, North Shores. North Shores.
yeah. So how could you?
So is it North Shores, Tynemouth, and then Whitley Bay?
Yeah.
Tynemouth, North Shields, and then no, Tynemouth's just before Whitley Bay. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Walk along the beach after we've stuffed our faces. Full English breakfast, scones, tea cake, tea, latte, all for under £30. Lots of food. We even had takeaway, didn't we? Takeaway.
Yeah. We got takeaways, scones and tea cake. Half.
Still a little bit nippy though, isn't it? I just expected it to be a bit warmer than this. The temperatures are supposed to be rising, so we have
It's still a bit cold.
many videos of us touring many different beaches. We managed to do how many last year? 3 or 4? But I found at least another 4 I want to visit.
Yeah.
4 new beaches in addition to our regulars. So planning on us having at least 7 or 8 trips
Still cold.
to 7 or 8 different beaches in London. They're a bit of a drive actually, about an hour away, so still.
We could go for something surprise. And
This is North Shields.
so what's behind us? Yeah. Could you imagine living on those block of flats?
Have you seen this? Let's have a look. That's the coast. That's the coast. All the way around. That's what we got. That's what we got. Lovely views. Nice.
Oh, the sun's out.
Finally. Took a while.
Oh, look.
Now the sun's out, it's actually
Imagine
quite nice.
having this next to you. I could just see a couple there sitting on the step.
Yeah, literally less than 20-minute drive from home. Even in traffic, 20 minutes. On the coast, having breakfast.
Just
Having
go
nice
for a
walk.
bit of a walk. Something that I don't like. But I
Yeah.
don't mind
Don't
if
mind
it's
that.
next to the ocean.
Don't mind if it's next to the ocean, if it's just a short walk.
Yeah.
No walking up and down hills. Everybody keeps telling me about them going on trips for walks. What's that about? When your job involves lots of walking.
Last thing you want to do on your day off is go for a walk.
Yeah, absolutely. But this isn't too bad.
Yeah.
Nice short walk off. Don't shove hands on that. Gosh.
Let's get a helmet though.
Yeah.
This is nice. We're nearly reaching the end. This is how far we walked. From there. Oops. That's the sun there shining.
Quite a lot of rocks and pebbles. Ideal for taking dogs out, I think. Like running around and all of that. Even though I think some of it might be a bit rough.
Reach the end of this path.
And you know that I'm yours, alright. You can tell by the look in my eyes. Don't wanna play it cool, I gave it straight from the heart. Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you.
Do you think it's a yacht or a fishing boat?
I think it's a fishing boat.
Let's look at my glasses.
'Cause I don't wanna be sitting
No, it's a yacht.
alone.
'Cause it's got the sail.
I don't care what road
Yeah, it's got the sail, so it's a yacht. Someone's gone out on the yacht. That's nice.
I was before.
But I think these ones are fishing boats.
They're cruise.
I can tell by the look in your eyes.
Oh.
Don't wanna play it cool, I give it straight
Yeah,
from the
that's
heart.
there's more boats down there.
Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others.
This is what I said that I wanted to do.
We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, we got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. You can show me how to move, 'cause I don't wanna be sitting alone. I don't care what road you choose. Don't wanna go back to who I was before. And I know that you might know right. I can tell by the look in your eye. Don't wanna play it cool, I give it straight from the heart.
Nice.
Oh, how I love to be around.
Is it here? Yeah.
Show me, mate. Not up here.
It's up there, babe. If you want the monument. Eddie, come look. Our view. It's amazing.
This is
Ooh,
unexpected.
Daddy.
This is unexpected, mummy.
So we could move the car here. Nice.
Wow, that's amazing. Going back
That was a surprise there. The castle behind us.
Yeah, all the surprise wasn't expecting that at all.
Good walk. Sun is out. Amazing.
Cool, I give it straight from the heart. Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around
go.
You
On
can
top
show
of the
me how to
world.
move, 'cause I don't wanna be sitting alone.
We're
I
here
don't care what road you
for our
choose.
fifth
Don't wanna go
adventure.
back to who I was before.
360 view.
And I know that you might know right. I can tell by the look in your eyes. Don't wanna play it cool, I give it straight from the heart. Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you.
Yeah.
We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be
This one.
together. Oh, how I love to be around you. Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors.